Hey guys, today we are going to get super fancy. Hot damn. This is the back wall of my office at my day job, I guess you would call it. As you can see, there used to be a door here. Well, there's still a door here. It's just been covered up by the styrofoam insulation. I wanted to come up with something that kind of dresses this up and makes it less look like a prison in here because everything's cinder block and just gray. And then also there's a lot of sound that comes through this door. We're gonna see if we can fancy up this wall, see if we can make this office a little more homier. So this is the pile of lumber I'm gonna be using. It has a really neat story. It's reclaimed lumber out of a ammunition plant local to my area. These are actually tongue and groove, originally 1x12s, old growth pine that they used to cover the walls in the ammunition plant. It also had some in the plant that they used to cover the floor that was actually tongue and groove 2x6s, and they were actual real 2x6s. It was amazing to see. I didn't get to buy any of those, but try to put a picture up in the video so you guys can see a picture that I snapped when I was there. So I got a good deal on this stuff. It's really neat looking, has a lot of character, still has some of the tar and stuff left on it from when they ripped it down, when they had wall covering on it probably. This is what I'm gonna be using. I have to kind of mill all this up, cutting it to length and stuff to get it ready to put on the wall. I'm probably gonna coat it with something, maybe just a simple shellac or something to kind of seal in if there's any weird smells or anything associated with it. So we're gonna get to work on that, get all this milled up and start putting it on the wall. So, I messed up. As you might have caught in some of the other clips, when I was going to put the biscuits in here, I was going for a bigger number 20 biscuit. Did one hole, should have used a test piece, of course. I realized that, dummy me, but I didn't use a test piece. The number 20 went all the way through. So instead of adjusting the biscuit joiner to make it a little better, I just switched to a number 10 biscuit and thought, it'll be fine. Well, it turns out it wasn't fine. When I went to clamp it up, heard some snapping, and you see here, it broke them out where my biscuits were. So it was completely worthless to put those biscuits in there, and it just creates a lot more work for me because now I'm gonna have to fix all these. Luckily, this is a rustic beam that I'm making. We should be able to hide it pretty good after we're done fixing it up. So. If you like the lights I used in this video, check down in the description for a coupon code that's good for 18% off on Amazon. They really are great quality for the money, so if you're interested, check out the link in the description.